a brain bite?
Eat it. Gives you brains.
Oh, fuck.
You kind of need it.
Surely something you lack. Oh, kidding.
Alright, I'm leaving.
Did you
Where are we going,
eat
though?
up?
I want to shoot you
Yeah,
so
I
bad.
Alright, come on. We're going.
I took my meds by accident. Fuck, I'm out of meds.
Wow.
Uh-huh.
Did you get Eric?
You know what? I'm changing my.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah. I don't need meds though, unless I fall.
What the fuck? I'm like getting stuck and everything.
By the way, if you jump, you get
Airtime. I don't think I've ever been on this side of the map.
Oh,
Oh, yeah, I've never been on. Oh, wait.
I'm jump strafing, boys.
Oh my god.
Oh! I hit a log.
I'm terrified of going over the edge. For fuck's sake!
Did you actually go over the edge?
No. I said I'm scared to. And I fucking hit a big ass rock.
Oh!
Eric, Idris, make a right. Idris, we must find Collins people.
Yeah, set up one of those beasts that. Oh.
Found a skin pouch. What the fuck?
Yeah, I don't know
like,
what to do with that. I'm maxed out with.
And you get like tons of shit from the skin pouch.
Ah, I got money in
Where
duct
is the
tape.
skin pouch? Where does it get?
Over here.
Like where does it get?
Oh, it's at the bottom next to your can opener. And your feathers.
Open. What do you open? What does it do?
You get shit. You get duct tape.
Oh shit!
Don't hit me. Me.
Eric's getting hit by Colin.
Oh, thanks, man.
Okay, Lana. I cut off his arm. Oh, we dropped another skin pouch. Oh, I've opened so many skin pouches.
That's sweet.
Oh, and someone picked up the skin. Oh, no. Alright, let's get out of here.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You know what? Craft spear, bone arm, tech armor. That sounds sick.
We'll get tech armor later. A little song I wrote to cheer you up. Let's go already!
I'm here.
Alright, let's go then. Oh my god. I'll race you there.
Can we all?
Where were you going?
We're just going around the outskirts because I know there's like other purple things around, like, where you can't see them.
Purple things.
Yeah. Purple icons.
Oh,
Did you see, like, right behind me?
I was in front of you. You pushed me away.
Yeah. This is basically Need for Speed on the... Wait, Idris, wait. We're all gonna race. Just come back! Come back!
Oh, yo, I hit a
I
tree
saw
there.
that. Come back.
Okay, you can have the
3,
head start.
2, 1, go. Oh, fuck. Did you fall off already?
yeah, somehow.
Where does this road go? What the fuck?
Whoa. What the hell? Yeah, where does it go?
That was dumb.
I think I'm beating you, man.
Well, that's not fair.
Oh, shit. The tree stopped me.
The road is fucked. What?
Oh my god, where are you going? Ah! I hear water. Alright, you see on your map where it shows that big green patch where it's like a line, like light green? It looks like
Oh.
it's smooth. Alright, then
Great.
just follow me. It's this way.
Ah! I got hit by a moose.
A moose! Oh shit, that's a moose!
A moose.
Yeah,
Well, the
like
moose
those
is trying
big
to hit me,
ones.
bro. Oh, there's another moose! Ah!
That shit hit me, bro.
Moose, don't hit me.
Don't
Moose,
even-
don't hit me.
Alright.
Oh my god, he's trying.
Oh.
Oh, he's trying. Oh, he's really
Is
trying.
there territory? What the fuck? Why is there so many? Why is he trying to hit? He's behind me. I hear it. Ah!
Oh, oh!
Woo! Jack, woo!
Okay, get out of here.
Oh, I got hit by
More.
Oh, I've hit the fucking tree. Oh! 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 The
Ah,
mooses
no.
are harder, or more annoying than cannibals. Oh! Oh! Shit! I didn't take any damage. Eric, jump off. You won't take any damage. You get
Sure?
across?
Hey.
Oh, I thought you
shit.
jumped all the way across.
If I did, that'd be insane.
That'd be
I
epic.
probably could. You know what? I want to try.
Oh, we're going around. We gotta go up.
Actually, no.
We gotta go this way. Yeah, up that way. On this
Oh,
I
one
feel like
cave.
you
there.
need ramps or something for this.
Yeah, it's all flat up here. What is that? Is that a wing?
What
There's
is
a
a-
plane! There's a plane up here.
What the hell? Maybe a landing ship a long time ago?
Yo, I'm about to.
It's gonna make you really warm. Probably be good armor too, though.
Wait, where are you?
Who?
Idris, there's two big, yeah, have fun.
Well.
Where are they? There's only one. Oh, there's two.
Oh!
I got it. I got it.
No. Oh shit!
Fucking bitch, you hit me.
I didn't mean to hit you.
They didn't even damage me. You're the one who damaged me.
Get him!
Are you serious, bro? Their creepy armor is prevent killing them.
Did I hear you call someone daddy? What the fuck?
Oh.
Yeah, that's what I just said.
Go, Jake.
What cave?
Oh my god. Oh my god.
There's a polar.
You good?
Man, if I took damage while I was like falling, then I would be dead.
You are thirsty.
supposed to
Thank
follow
God
you,
there's
Jack?
water over here.
What?
Jack, am I supposed to follow?
Are you supposed to what?
Oh shit.
Follow you.
Yeah, follow me. We're going to a cave.
Oh, for
Yeah, there's a cave right here.
what?
Well, you just did a 360.
Loaded.
Yeah, but
Whoa, there he is.
I came in hot.
My flashlight, since I have a whole bunch of batteries. That's all you need, right? The battery?
Yeah, pretty sure.
You guys have
Oh,
flashlights?
night vision goggles?
Where? What?
I didn't know that was in the
God,
game.
You're kidding.
Alright, I'm putting that on right now.
Where?
On the body.
Right on Buddy's face.
Oh, shit! No way.
Where? Oh, oh,
Oh, yes, rope. I'm gonna make some bone armor.
heck.
Maybe the next cave is the snorkel. Alright, I'm exiting the cave.
Wait, press Q.
Yeah, it brings out your body.
No, mine brings on night vision.
Hmm.
For some reason.
Do I need the night vision?
Air tread. Ah!
It's hard to see. It's like wearing no night vision.
Okay. Coming back.
I see a
Hey, you should be able to cut yourself out.
Nope, can't. I tried.
Look down.
Wait, I am looking. Oh, I'm retarded.
Yep.
We know. Sorry. I love you.
These guys are chill. I have my weapon out and everything, and they're just like walking away. Yeah, they're not even attacking me.
Oh, no, never.
Fuck, never mind. These guys aren't chill. Wow, this guy is mean. Oh, he's really mean. He knocked all my armor and shit. Fine, buddy. You want to tussle? Let's go. He's dead.
Yo, there's a cave here.
Oh, yeah, it's not like we were heading to a cave.
No, right here, right here.
Me.
You missed it, Jack.
That's because my bike got stuck in the fucking water.
Yo, there's like holy people.
You're a holy person.
Like people with flowers on their heads. These guys have flowers on their head.
Are
The
they
realm
people?
beyond.
Whoa, you're right. Yo, it's the Bible.
Let's go.
It's the space Bible.
This is how you're.
Oh, this is an actual cave.
Yeah, let's go.
Bro, what is happening with my hand?
Wait for a thing.
Then why are you going into the cave?
I'm going back.
I don't think they'll do that here.
Okay, your character actually doesn't look that bad. This
Hey
kinda boss.
guys.
Jump! Do a flip! Yo! Bro, it's
Yo.
fucking
Yeah,
Skate 3 right here.
Alright, let's go. Let's go on, baby.
Alright, let's go.
Where's the Bible?
It's over by
You don't
those
need it.
holes, dude.
It's a
The
fake
realm
religion.
beyond.
Yeah, it's the space Bible.
Yeah.
Motherfucker, I don't want to look at this stupid book. I can't even read.
Yo, guys, where's the flashlight in the inventory?
It's beside the taser. Oh, this is where you get the tank. Oxygen. There's oxygen tanks.
There's oxygen tanks from.
I
Motherfucker,
really
can
hope
I
it is.
stop looking at this goddamn book?
Are you sure it is?
I think it is. Yo, or no, we might
No,
just
it's
need
not.
to dive down. That would make sense as well.
Oh, I'm stuck.
Oh,
with
we
this
can't go to
goddamn
these
book.
caves because of the snorkel.
Yo, just search it up. Where's it?
No.
I can't stop looking at this book, guys.
You know what? I'm going in. I don't care.
Oh, finally, Jesus.
You might die.
No, I'm dying. You know.
You dying?
Yeah, I'm probably dying. It's pretty deep.
Guys, I got a book in my hand and it won't go away.
I don't think it's in this direction though. I think it's
Oh,
where
there we
we
go.
like were before.
Yeah, it should be in order, so you guys more near spawn.
So let's go back to spawn and just see. So I think it's more north.
Oh shit!
Alright, you see that
Call me
cave closest to
Tony
us right now?
Hawking the way I.
Bro, who stole my skateboard?
There should be another one. So you guys see the cave to the like straight north? Let's go to that one. Oh, that's the one that we needed the zipline tool. Does Eric have the zipline tool? I'm pretty
Yeah, I
sure.
do.
Yeah.
Let's go.
I was here for that.
Yeah, dude.
I was the one that found it.
I'm pretty sure this might be where you get the thing.
Maybe, but I don't think so.
Jesus,
No, I
I'm
think
sorry
it
about
is.
that.
Yo, I'm pretty sure it
Oh, no, I know where it is actually. Yeah, I know exactly where it is. And I think we're stuck. Nope, no we're not. Okay. Yeah, so we're not supposed to be here yet. The
My-
snorkel is where the, like, it's on the beach. Yeah, it's in a cave on the beach.
is. Let's go to the beach.
How are we
Run
just,
away,
like-
Run away. Hey.
Got this.
Oh,
place.
yo, I know exactly where it is. It's at spawn. I fucking remember.
Yeah. Here, come on, let's go. Because we gotta come back here anyways. There's 3 caves we have to go to with the snorkel.
Motherfucker,
Look at
motherfucker.
pain, man.
It could have been done like.
This time, alright. Alright, I'm gonna set up a tarp. We can sleep and save. And then we can go.
In sleep. Oh yeah, you said sleep.
Sleep. We can sleep together.
Oh my.
I need a drink. Give me a minute.
Let
I
me
need a
buy you
beer.
a drink.
I need a goddamn Corona light
Like stat.
with a lime in it.
With a lime in it.
I
Alright,
reckon you
alright, let's
get
sleep.
on up out of here, boy.
Am I talking too fast for you? Idris, ah! I mean, Idris, come here. We're sleeping.
I did.
Come here.
I told you, I heard him. I heard him. Where is he?
Alright, I'm going to sleep.
Wait,
You can't. I heard the fucking thing, but you can't.
sleep.
Don't interrupt us again, motherfucker. I'm hungry? No shit.
I'm gonna save.
What bitch is
Ooh,
crying?
MRE? I need some water. There's water behind us.
I'm eating MRE. If I'm not full, I'm eating some noodles. Okay, I'm full. Some water. Some more water. Okay.
God damn it.
Oh shit!
Oh fuck! Did we all fall off the bike?
We all did. Am I like
big
moving
camp.
too fast or something?
There's a massive camp here, bro.
I don't like
This isn't massive. Although it does
What
have
do you
one of
mean
those
it's
big
big?
guys.
Not massive, but it has like crossbow.
Well,
I knew it.
that's
I know it
nice.
has crossbow bolts. Just the bolts, not the actual crossbow. Got your sector. Why are you breaking that?
Because
Oh, you'll creep your
it was really loud in the video. Uh oh.
What the fuck? Why me?
Ow, really? Why me?
You good? Oh, she wants
Back
to
off, pull up the...
Ha,
Okay,
cut
that's
up for
it,
him.
boys. I'm pulling out the 9. I'm pulling out the 9.
Yeah, pull up the 9.
Why is he, advanced?
Air, shoot the big guy, shoot the big guy. Shoot the big guy. He's right behind the trees.
Oh, this guy's impossible to kill, apparently. I've seen videos. I've seen
Oh,
videos.
shit.
I've seen videos. Oh, apparently he's dead. I helped. I helped.
Bro, I see videos.
I've seen videos.
I've seen videos.
The cave is around here.
No, it's not around there. That's where
Yeah,
you
it's
get the
around-
gun. That's where you get the gun, mate.
No, that's
It's over
where
here,
we
mate.
crashed.
It's over here.
You're like British as fuck or something.
I'm British.
So am I, but I don't say me.
No, you're going the wrong way. Jack, that's the
I see the cave on my map. What are you talking about?
That's the wrong cave.
Ooh, it's the
You're-
wrong cave. Go to the fucking cave I am at. Bro, I'm actually gonna fucking
Jesus.
assassinate you.
Damn.
His voice just
Oh, that's
cracked.
his gun. He's supposed to,
Yeah, I
go
don't know.
bomb
It's 'cause
squad
I'm
on
sick.
you.
There, I'm here.
Get the fuck out of my way, dear. Oh, sorry. It sounds like someone's choking him.
Huh?
What? Entertainment bunker?
Yo, there's a new location, entertainment bunker.
Yo, it's not like I just said that.
Shit, man. Next time I'll try to do that.
Yeah. Oh,
Okay,
Idris, this is the cave. This is the cave.
I know, I remember. The floaty and then the shark and the shark.
Hey guys, can you wait up?
Yo, I believe the taser's in here as well, maybe.
Oh, maybe.
Hey guys,
Yeah,
can you wait up?
we could. Oh, we might have to. Idris, help me. Idris, help me.
You know what time it is? Man time.
Oh, I'm about to die. There's 3 of them. There's 3 of those fingers.
Why am I...
Bring on, motherfucker!
Oh, wait. Okay, hold on. Cover me. I'm bringing out the 9.
I have to pop meds.
Motherfucker, I got my grenade.
Oh, fuck! Oh shit! One more bullets. What?
Get
Another one,
shot.
another one. Yo, he's on me, he's on me. Oh, he's so dog water, so dog water.
Let's go, get shot, pussy.
Oh, another one.
Oh, he got me.
Okay, okay. Kill it, kill it.
Stop resisting!
All right, let's cut him up. This one right here.
Wait, hold on. Alright, really? Really, Jack?
Really?
Well, I got no time to.
Oh, now this one right here.
You little impatient fuck. You little fucking impatient cunt.
All right, Eric, cut up this one right here.
You don't know about teamwork?
Oh my god, you got it last second.
You guys are fucked. You guys are fucked.
That one's done.
They're all done.
Did Eric get any of it?
I'm contemplating
Yeah, I
shooting
did.
you.
Yo, this one right here.
Bro, I'm nowhere near you guys.
Cause there's a cutscene that happens. I think.
There's a cutscene for what?
Like an end game. I think. I don't know. That's what I heard.
Oh, he's being an idiot. Yay. What time is it?
No,
It's
phone.
rebreather time. Did you pick up the rebreather?
Actually, we're supposed
Yep.
to go in the other cave first. Cause
I think it's better going the other cave. Shut the fuck up.
closer and you can exit from this way better.
Just, we don't even have to.
There's a shark.
I
How do I get up?
forgot there was a shark. He went in
I
there
didn't
and
know
there
there
was
was
a shark.
I didn't know there was a shark.
Yo, Eric, you
He
should
said,
get on
"Oh
that
yeah,
little
but
raft
there's a
right there.
shark." I was like, "What the
Where
fuck?"
the Reaver at?
Oh, I can make a time bomb.
Mag jump his ass.
Oh yeah, I got it.
Oh,
I'm
he's
stuck.
dead.
I'm stuck.
The shark is dead. Why are you like really?
Help!
The shark is dead.
Help!
Ooh.
Help!
Kill him! Get him! Kill him! You hit me! Oops!
Ah, motherfucker!
But you hit him.
No, he's taking the armor.
It's a shit show.
I gotta be a little faster than that, apparently.
You gotta be faster than that, buddy.
Buddy.
The guys that's
Oh, shit.
ships.
Motherfucker.
I was trying to hit this. I was trying to hit the fucking thing, bitch.
I'm trying to hit him too, but you're taking off my armor.
He just did a 2-tap on my ass.
Oh! Get Eric up. There, I got him.
Oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck.
Come bother me, mate.
Oh fuck, I didn't see you.
Ow! There's another one. Help!
Oh, dude, get the fuck up!
So
He got
listen,
me. He fucking got me now.
do we all die?
Are we all down?
I'm down.
Don't tell me we're all down.
We're
I
all
was
down.
trying to switch to my grenade.
Why in the middle of it will you switch to your grenade? Oh, you have an extra chromosome.
Yo,
Okay, that's fine.
He's right in front of me. He's right in front of me.
I got him with that bow.
That's.
And we got him.
That's. Got him.
Oh,
Got
nice
him.
job.
Get him. What the fuck type of move was that? You got him twice. Once.
Wow, the bow is
Dead.
actually good. I need my arrows though.
Pick up. Shit. I'm sorry.
Okay, we all got it. Hopefully the other
Can't
one
you
doesn't
fuck off?
attack us right away.
The other one's dead.
you guys already skinned this one?
Oh, here's a guy. Shoot him,
Fuck!
shoot him
I hit
down.
Eric.
You
Yeah,
hit her.
I didn't feel it.
Nice.
Oh shit! You got fucked.
My bad.
My bad.
My bad.
You shot me? I didn't even fucking. They didn't take anything off me.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah. Yo, I'm pretty sure Katana is here.
No, it's not. Yeah, it's not. It's just the stun gun.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Yo, look, there's a cutscene here.
Oh, you mean a secret?
Did you see it? Look.
Let Eric go in. He hasn't seen it before.
Oh.
What the hell is that?
I love how we hold the stun gun like sideways, like we're
Where is
gangsta.
this one gun?
It's right there. The guy's holding
Where?
it in his hand.
Oh.
Bro, can you flash the light? Your juice? Can I steal your flashlight real quick? One of you guys?
We can't give it to you though. No.
Oh,
Stop resisting. Oh, really?
and one of us were gonna do it first, and I knew it was probably gonna be you.
What? I would never.
What is that thing?
Oh, bad.
Don't.
I don't think I have any more ammo. Where is my ammo?
Oh, it's still daytime.
I got a grenade finally.
Is that a different type of soda? Yeah, it's a whole different type of soda.
Oysters?
Yeah, you can eat those.
Oh yeah, we haven't been here yet.
Wow, you are so slimy.
There's
Jeez,
a
let's eat all these
egg.
oysters.
Yeah.
I'm really hungry.
It sounds so weird.
Yeah, we're having an oyster feast.
What the fuck? We're just going.
Come on, Drees, keep eating oysters.
Oh shit! I just hit my controller. Wait, what's with this thing?
Blurp, blurp.
Oh, can opener.
Keep eating oysters now.
Call me Maloys.
Get your guys' protein out, bro.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going to the other cave. Bye.
No. Remember what I said. Stay as a group. And eat oysters with us.
He ate so many.
We have to eat all these oysters, or else you
I'll
don't.
have fish. We can cook some fish. Do you guys want fish?
Yeah. Drees, you better eat all your oysters, or no rope for you tonight. All right, let's go.
That's the water.
Oh shit! As soon as I started laughing, I hit it too.
All right, let's go up the riverside.
Is it becoming nighttime? I think it's becoming nighttime.
Nah, it's fine. We can keep going. Just drink energy drinks if you're feeling under the hay.
There's a tent right here, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
Bro, I have like 8 tarps on me.
I think I have like 10.
Yeah, bro has like 10.
I haven't used one.
My tarps are full.
What the hell is
Zaza.
this?
Let's go right here.